Hello and welcome to Swansway Citroen in Chester. My name is Dan, and this fantastic car that we have here is the Grand C4 Picasso. So it is a 68 plate and it is a fLAIR model. So with this car you do get the two-tier signature lighting, which is a day running light and then the main beam lights at the bottom, and you can also see down here the front parking sensors as well. So just taking you around the car, it does come with the diamond cut alloys, which are 17-inch alloys on this model, and you've also got the rear tinted windows with the silver rail bars as well that go across just to split those colours up. So just taking you around the back, with this being the fLAIR model, it does come with an electric boot, and you've also got the rear reverse camera there as well. So in the back, all the back seats are full-size adult seats, and they all roll individually forwards and backwards as well, and they've also got their top tether points, and the boot liner is a simple pull out and it clips into place just here, so you can cover up that boot as well. So in the back you do have the extra seats, and it's as simple as lifting up, and then you've got the red tag at the bottom, so fold those away nicely, and that gives you the additional boot space as well. So to close the boot, it is just one push of a button, and you've also got rear parking sensors at the back of this car as well. So I'll just show you inside the back of the vehicle. So you do get the blinds for those hot days that are built in on the fLAIR, and it's as simple as just clip that straight in the top. And you've also got the air conditioning zones in the back here that your passengers can adjust themselves. So it is a part leather finish with the black cloth as well, and you've got the airplane style rear seats with a light and the meshing net for storage, and you've got additional storage here as well, which is just in the footwells. So it is keyless entry, so whether the key's in your pocket or a handbag, you can always enter the car as long as the key is next to you. So from the driver's door you can control all the windows and the electric wing mirrors, and there's also a lock button here to stop any littles opening the back windows whilst you're driving. And the interior mirror is auto dimming. With that you also get a smaller one, which is part of the child pack, so you can keep an eye on any passengers in the back. So just turn the car on. So in here you do have the two screens, which can be interchanged. So you've got the satellite navigation that you can put onto that top screen, which is all done at the push of a button. And you've still got use of the 7-inch touchscreen at the bottom, which does everything from your DAB digital radio to the aircon. You can have sat nav on there as well, and the settings of the car. And it's all accessible from the touchscreen and the shortcut buttons here. So it does have an electric parking brake, which is simple as put your foot on the brake, push that in, and the parking brake comes off. And it's also a stop-start button for the ignition. It does come with park assist, so it can park itself. It gives you directions on the screen on how to do that. So inside here you've got your USB and auxiliary in, as well as the 12-volt power outlet, and you've also got a nice little area here to stand your phone in if you're using that for making phone calls as well. Whilst talking about the phones, all the shortcut buttons are here on the steering wheel, so you've got everything from voice activation to changing the volume on the radio as well as your phones, and you've also got your cruise control and speed limiter. This model also comes with automatic lights and automatic wipers, and it is a 6-speed gearbox. Both front seats do come with massage function, and you've also got the thermally insulated sunroof there with blind, which is simple as twist this little dial and it opens that up for you, and you can set that at different lengths. So this model does come with full dealership service history and is a great family car. Again, my name is Dan. If you'd like any more information on this car, give me a call on 01244 311 404 or pop down. You can find us on Bumpers Lane, postcode CH1 4LT. Thank you very much.